we start, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. That will really help our channel grow, and that will make me keep on going. Hey, what's up, guys? So welcome to our first unboxing. So like we previously said, we have the Batman from the Last Night on Earth comic. If you haven't read it, it's pretty good. I suggest you read it. But anyway, so we're gonna check it out. We're gonna see all it comes with. We're gonna see the little movements, any little accessories and details. Let's go. Alright, guys, so here we go. First unboxing from the channel. Let's check it out. So I actually bought this one, if I'm not mistaken, I think at a GameStop. They actually have a lot of items that you might not find at Walmart or Targets. So it'd be really good if you actually give them a check. They have some items that you didn't probably still selling, but they actually still have them. So it's pretty cool. Alright, let's check it out. So first off, I think it comes with some little base and a little collector's card, which is pretty cool. It's pretty cool that it has its own little base. I guess that's a little collector card. You don't really have nothing on it. Yeah, but the base is actually gonna come in handful. So let's open this bad boy. So you haven't checked out this comic, it's pretty good, guys. So it actually talks about how pretty much Batman was all Bruce Wayne's going crazy in an asylum. So yeah, it's pretty interesting, pretty good. Okay, get that open. That's the reason why he comes dressed like that, because he was in the asylum. So this is tight in there. That was real tight. Okay. Here's the actual figure, guys. It has a lot of articulations actually. Elbow, shoulder, and of course, head. A little bit tight right there, but good. Knees, ankles. Everything is actually articulated, and the way the knees are, you can barely even see them once you close them up. So that's pretty cool. Now let's see what it comes with. So of course, if you buy them all, you can make the Bane figure, which is pretty interesting. Like I say, it's different from all the other comics. So you want something different, this one is the one to collect. Here's a little, I guess, weapon. And like I said, since it's all on Batman's head in the comic, he carries the Joker's head in a little lantern looking thing. So, yeah, that's it. Fit. There we go. There we go, guys. So yeah, pretty cool. A lot of actual detail on it. You can see you don't actually have the Batman logo. He has the Wayne logo, actually made like a bat. This, I don't really remember much, but I guess instead of having an actual cape, they put this up. Yeah, guys, what do you think? Pretty cool, huh? So I think this is gonna be our next project, guys. see if it actually stands. Yeah, it stands pretty good. I wish it came with different hands just to make it more believable, but it sounds pretty good, guys. So there we go, guys. We're gonna be the next project. It's gonna be a simple project, but I think with this kind of scenery, we can actually make it look really good. There you go. Let me know what you think.